seen here at the Red Fort for the first time the ATAG guns, the made in India guns which can fire almost 40 kilometers away. On the 75th year of India's independence, these guns also gave a salute to the nation, a salute to the Make in India effort. These are guns which have been made by the private sector along with the Defense Research and Development Organization. The ATAG guns are one of the world's finest artillery guns. They can fire to a distance of 40 kilometers. What a gun and what a show at the Red Fort in New Delhi on 15th of August 2022. In New Delhi, Pallav Bagla.